products, and we are a factory authorised service centre for all the Beechcraft King Air range and the Bonanzas and Barons, which allows us to carry out maintenance for new customers or for customers with new aircraft on warranty, and support the Beechcraft, the factory programs that the aircraft may be enrolled on. At Fairoaks, we're also a service centre for the Aero Commander, and we carry various other factory authorised service centres for various products, including Rockwell Collins, Garmin, Honeywell, and a whole multitude of avionics suppliers. There's a very high standard within the requirements set by the manufacturers that you have to meet in both the skill levels of your staff, the equipment that you hold, the tooling that you hold, the spare parts that you hold on the shelf, and the continuation training that you have to provide your staff to maintain familiarity with the product. So it is a large investment to become a service centre, and that's investment that we have made and will continue to make.